Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every week. In today's video, I was actually getting ready to go to dinner with my friend, and I thought I would quickly show you guys how I did my hair. So I wanted to show you guys my go-to kind of blowout hair look that I do at home. It's super quick, super easy. There's really not much like explaining. I'm literally just, I guess, showing you guys how I use my blowout tool. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing, ooh, there's hair all up in this. So anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use my L'Ange hair. It's kind of sort of a brush straightener. I mentioned this in my 2019 beauty favorites video. No, this video is not sponsored, but I have been loving this tool for straightening my hair. It just gives you that blowout finish without it looking like too straight and without all the headache of like hand holding a blow dryer and a brush. Like, it just gives you that look and makes it so easy. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got my hair to look like this with all this body and just wave but still very sleek and straight, then definitely please keep watching. If you do happen to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I would appreciate it so much. And then that way you're notified every Wednesday when I upload. I love you guys so much, and without further ado, let's get into this hair tutorial. Love you guys. Let's get started with this hair tutorial. Sorry if my background is looking crazy. I didn't have time to get it to look all cute because I'm actually getting ready for a dinner date with one of my best friends. Alright, so first and foremost, for your blowout look, you want to make sure your hair is protected. So I'm using my Tresemme heat protection spray, and it protects up to heat of 450 degrees. Quickly spray that throughout. First, you want to make sure you comb through your hair. I literally just let my hair air dry and then I detangle it. I never detangle my hair while it's wet because I feel like it just breaks the hair so much quicker. Right now, I'm just using a wide tooth comb to comb through it. Normally, I like to use one of those like wet brushes, but for some reason, I can't find where my brush went. Alright, so once I have my hair all brushed out, I like to do this in segments. So I'm gonna take about like 2/3 of my hair up and get it out of the way. And to get that blowout look, I'm using this L'Ange hair. It's kind of like a flat iron slash brush. I mentioned this in my yearly favorites video, and I have been loving this for a straightener because it straightens my hair, but it allows me to get still a ton of body with my hair. I feel like whenever I use a flat iron, it makes my hair way too flat. And then with a blow dryer, I'm not a professional. I don't know how to blow dry my hair right. I like to take this, and I'll take like a small section of hair like this, and I'll push the brush up into the hair, and then I'm kind of like holding down the end of my hair so it keeps it nice and taut. And then I just slowly comb my hair through. And when I comb it through, I'm kind of like going almost like in a circle. So I'm going forward and then under once I get to like the last part of my hair. And I just like curl it under like this and feed the hair through. And that gives me a ton of like body while I'm straightening it. Again, I'm literally just holding the hair through like this and I'm pushing it out. And then under the brush. And it just gives me such a nice, almost like blowout look to the hair. I'm doing the same thing to this side. I like to come under the hair and forward. And once I get to the end, I kind of like wrap it underneath the brush and just kind of like twirl it through. I'm gonna go over that section one more time. I like to just take sections about like no bigger than this. That way it still straightens it nice. And the key part of like this look is, first of all, you want to make sure you hold your hair taut toward the end while you're combing it through so it actually straightens it. And two, you want to make sure as you're pulling the brush through, you're going forward and under, and that'll give it that body and that blowout type of look. If your hair is super curly, you might have to go through the pieces a couple of times. As you can see, my hair is more wavy, so I don't have to go over the hair as much to get it to like the straight look that I want. and I'm just coming under it like this, and I'm going like up and out. And then I'm turning my wrist as I get to the bottom of the hair like this. And now the brush is upside down and I'm feeding the hair through. And that's gonna give me that curve at the end of my hair that'll make it look like a blowout. It's hard to explain, but if you watch what I'm doing, you can kind of get the gist. What I love about this tool is that it makes it super quick and easy to curl your hair too. Again, you wanna make sure you're not grabbing too much hair all at once. And I'm taking the brush underneath of it and going up. And then as I get to the end, I'm just kind of like wrapping the hair around and feeding it through. Sometimes I'll go back on the other end of the hair just to make sure it gets a really nice smooth finish. Alright, so once I'm done with that portion, my hair is completely straightened, but as you can see, I still have a ton of body. It doesn't look too like flat to my head or anything. The ends look really good. They're not like too pin straight. I love the way that this straightener, I don't know, like it literally gives me that blowout kind of look to my hair. Hence that blowout look. What I like to do is I'll take my 1.5 inch curling wand. This is the Pro Beauty Tools extra long curling barrel. I've talked about this so many times. And I like to take the front pieces of my hair and just very loosely wrap it around the barrel. And then I'll just kind of like slide the barrel through like this, just to give it more of that kind of like swoop to the front of my face. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side, just taking like my bangs, and I'll wrap it around the barrel like so. And then I just like to just kind of like push my hair through it. And that gives me more body toward the front. And then I like to do the same thing to like my front layers. I'll just kind of like curl in the bottom of my hair like this, wrapping it like inward toward my face, and then I just slide the barrel down. So instead of like releasing it and holding it, I'm just sliding it down, and then now I'm left with like little waves like that. I'm gonna do the same thing to the end of my hair. I'm just wrapping the ends of my hair around the barrel. And I'm gonna hold it for a couple of seconds, and then I'm just gonna slide it through and release. And you can see on this side, now I have that like curl and kind of blowout kind of finish to my hair. And whenever I want to add some extra volume to like the root of my hair, I'll just take some dry shampoo. Instead of using like texturizing spray or volume spray, I literally just take dry shampoo and I just spray it right up the root of my hair. And that just helps kind of further lift and give me some volume. Here you have it. This is the completed kind of blowout look at home. As you can see, my hair is straight, but it doesn't look too pin straight. It doesn't look too stuck to my head. Super simple and easy to do. Like there's really not much explaining, but I just kind of wanted to quickly show you guys how I achieved that look at home. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday when I upload. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.